In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add 1095A on TurboTax, how to enter your 1095A on TurboTax. To enter your form 1095A in TurboTax, you'll need the form you receive from your health insurance marketplace. This form is crucial if you or a household member had a marketplace plan like those under the Affordable Care Act. It helps TurboTax calculate your premium tax credit, PTC, which can increase your refund or prevent you from owing back overpaid credits. Here's how to do it step by step. Open your return in TurboTax and navigate to the Federal tab. Then go to Deductions and Credits. Scroll until you find a section called Medical or Health Insurance. Click Start or Edit Add next to the option that asks, was anyone enrolled in a plan through the health insurance marketplace like Healthcare.gov? Choose Yes if you or anyone on your tax return had coverage through the marketplace. TurboTax will now ask if you received a 1095A form. Click Yes again, then get your form and begin entering the details exactly as they appear. The three key pieces of information from Form 1095A are monthly premiums, column A, second lowest cost silver plan, SLCSP, column B, monthly advance payment of premium tax credit, column C. These are usually broken down per month in Part 3 of your form. TurboTax will provide a table that mirrors the layout of your form, and you'll need to type in each month's figures. Be careful, mistakes here can result in IRS rejections or delayed refunds. Once you've completed the table, TurboTax will calculate whether you received too much or too little in advance tax credits. If you got too much, you might owe a portion back. If you got too little, you may receive a bigger refund. If you made changes to your marketplace plan mid-year, like adding a family